G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on your BMW X3. So the first thing we need to do is press the start stop button 3 times, and that will turn on the ignition, and then you can see our service lights coming up there. So we've gone into the diagnostic mode now, and we can just press the BC button on the end here just to clear all those warnings and get back to the odometer screen. There we go. Now what we want to do is hold down this button here. Now we can see our service menu. So we can scroll through the menu by pressing this button, and to reset the items we just hold the button down. Release, hold it down again, and then it will go through the reset procedure. So you can see that's resetting the vehicle check now. So successful. So now we can reset the engine oil. And now we're going to leave the brake fluid, so that's all good for 2025, but we've reset the vehicle check and the engine oil. So there you go guys, that's how you reset your service light on your BMW X3. If this video helped you reset your service light, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.